All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another tip slash trick video for you guys today in relation to maintaining your vehicle. I know a lot of you guys tune in for the performance modification videos. Got a couple more of those on the way. I'm actually going to upload one of those in the next day or two here. But this one, it can be applied to any car, really. It doesn't just need to apply to BMW. So what gave me the idea for this video was I maintain my vehicle meticulously, always changing parts out before they fail, which technically you should replace them before they fail. So one of those being just the windshield wipers, right? Windshield wipers, man, I feel like I used to pay $10 to $12 for a windshield wiper, you know, for a pair at like 25, close to 30. Man, now I'm looking and windshield wipers for the good Rain-X ones, they're like $30 a piece. I just went into Walmart. And they're about like $25 or $30 a piece. So you're at $50 or $60. And if you want the OEM BMW ones, you can get those on Amazon, from the Amazon BMW website. Those things are like $50 or $55 for the pair plus shipping. And it's just for windshield wipers. You're going to pay $50 or $60 for wipers. I'm like, man, you're not, only thing that's bad on it is the rubber, you know, the rubber strip. The rest of the I'm throwing the rest of the wiper away when that's not what's failing. It's just the rubber that actually contacts the windshield that's wearing out. So I'm thinking, man, I wonder if I can buy just the rubber replacement for the wiper blade so I can just replace that and not replace the whole wiper. I'm like, that'd be a lot cheaper if that's possible. Did a little digging online, actually found it on Amazon fairly easily. So I bought the 28-inch length ones, so I'll just trim them a little bit with some scissors or a razor blade to the length of the ones on my wipers when I pull them out. But you know, those things aren't, they're not fixed to the wiper really. They can move around in there, you know. So you can remove those. Now, if you have the cheaper style wiper blades that have like the metal frame with the arms that connect to the blade, I don't think this will work for that because those actually have like metal inserts to stiffen up the rubber on those things. But if you have the beam style wiper blade, which are the ones that cars come with now, you should just be able to replace the rubber. So I found it on Amazon. I think it was like $9 for a 4-pack. So for $250 a wiper blade, I'm gonna have brand new wiper blades instead of $50 or $60, you know, about $60. So just little tips and tricks like this to help you save your money so you can spend your money on, you know, more modifications for the car instead of just wiper blades. So let me show those to you guys and we'll take the blades off the car. We'll swap them out. I'll show you how it's done. All right, so we got the package here. The actual name of them, if you guys want to order them, Aero Wiper Rubber Refills, and it's 28-inch size, pack of 4. You can get them in a couple different sizes, but they just come like this, as you'd imagine, and it's just that part of the wiper blade, just the rubber that contacts the windshield, but most importantly, it's brand new. So let's get the blades off the car. We'll bring one of them in here and see how hard it is to swap it out. Garage is jam-packed full of tools and detail and stuff, but there's the M550i sleeping like a little baby. I'm sure you guys will swap wiper blades out, so I'm not going to bore you too much with this, but just a quick tip. Lay something down under the metal frame of the windshield, under the arm here against the windshield, so, you know, just in case you knock it down, you don't crack your windshield. I can probably do it with one hand. Maybe not with one hand. Yeah, there it is. And before I set that down on the windshield, I'm just gonna, you know, lay that underneath the metal frame. But bam, that's off. All right, here we are back inside with the wiper blade. On this one, I'm assuming they're mostly the same. There's 2 little tabs right here. Okay, I backed it up for you guys so you can see it better. So all I did, like I said, was take these 2 caps off the end. And that allowed me to slide it right through here. And look at that. All right, so snips, and there it is. So stuff it back down there. We'll put our end cap back on. And bam, brand new wiper blades for $2.50. not $50 or $60. That's awesome. Let's go throw it back in the car. And we're back outside. That's it. It's literally all it took. $2.50. If you guys found this useful, subscribe for more, like the video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, save them some money, and I'll catch y'all later.